Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. This video is about the licensing procedure for GeoTools. So when you purchase GeoTools and install it, first you'll have to generate the computer app key. The computer app key is nothing but either the serial number of your computer hard disk in an encrypted form, or it is the MAC ID taken from your computer. Now you can generate the app key for your computer for GeoTools by typing gt_app key on the command line, or you can choose from the pull down menu GeoTools and come to the last item, which is called display application key. So when you click on that, you will get a dialog box which looks like this, and in this dialog box you can see that there is the app key which is both in hard disk serial number as well as the MAC ID. So this is automatically copied to the clipboard. So the next step is to send this to me by email, and it's easy because once this is copied to the clipboard, if you immediately open your email software, start a new email message and just Control V or paste in your email body, you will get this app key on the email. So you just send it to my email and I will generate the license file for you, which has an extension of RGS. So in the case of GeoTools for ZWCAD, for example, it will be GeoTools 24_en_bc.rgs. So I will tell you what this means. GeoTools is the name of the product, 24 is the version number, en means it is for English language, and bc means it is for ZWCAD. So similarly, if you are using AutoCAD, it will be AC, and if you are using a German version, instead of en it will be DE, and if you are using, let's say, version 22 or version 23, then next to GeoTools you will find the version number accordingly. So this is only to help you identify and understand how the license file name looks like and what it means. So once we send you the license file back by email, which comes as an RGS file, you will have to activate it. So you save it from your email, put it in some folder like your documents or download folder, then go to your GeoTools, and in the GeoTools menu you can come to more options, and if you go into the more options section, you will find an option called activate GeoTools license. You can even type gt_activate license on the command line and run this command directly also. Once you click on this option, it will ask you to locate the RGS file. So select the RGS file which I have sent you by email, and once you have done that, you will get a message which looks like this. So what this message says is that the license file has been successfully copied to the license file folder. Now where is this license file folder? So you don't really need to know where it is stored, but it is always good to know just in case something goes wrong. So it is actually stored in your C drive. Under C drive, users, your Windows login name, followed by app data, then local data, then GeoTools, then V24, and then ZWCAD, and then the license files. That is the path where your license file is stored. Now similar to the license file name, here also instead of ZWCAD, it will be AutoCAD if you are doing a licensing in AutoCAD, or it will be ZWCAD if you are doing for ZWCAD. So that is where the license is stored, and every time you start GeoTools, the license will be read from that particular folder. So this is exactly how the licensing procedure works. So it's very simple. If you have any questions, please feel free to get back to me. Thank you.